good, YouTube? It's your girl Lorena Ray, and I'm back with another video, bitch. I'm just playing. But what's good, y'all? It's your girl Lorena Ray, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a tutorial slash just watch me work, do it yourself eyeshadow mix. Okay, so I never did this before. This is my first video doing this. I'll be taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I have another palette over here from BH Cosmetics. I got all this stuff from BH Cosmetics during Black Friday. I got like 8 things for like $30. It was real clutch. So that's what I'll be doing today. So if you want to see this video, make sure you keep watching. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first, this look is inspired by a look that I already did. As you can see right here, I did this look in Atlantic City like 2-3 weeks ago at my cousin's 21st birthday. I thought it was really pretty. I don't even know where I came up with this look from. For you guys, let you know how I got it, because I really did that look like in 20 minutes. That was my first time even like doing all of that. Like, so I just want you guys to see how I work that magic. So let's continue to get to it. First, I'm taking my NYX eyeshadow primer. This was like $5 at my nearby beauty supply store. Just taking this with my hand because I heard that your hand is your best eyeshadow brush. And I'm just lightly dabbing it on my eyelid so my eyeshadow can pop. And I'm doing that on both eyes. That way, you know, it can be even. Dabbing. Now I'm finished. Now I'm gonna take my brush from BH Cosmetics, the number 24, and just set it and, you know, blend it through my eyes. And this will be the same brush that I'm using for all my eyeshadows as well. And I'm also going to take my HD Flawless setting powder and set that primer that I just put on my eyelids so it can be set in stone, so my eyeshadow can be flawless. Now I'm taking my natural BB kit from BH Cosmetics. This is the eyeshadow palette that I got from BH Cosmetics as well. I'm using my number 12 eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use this color right here just to have a transition color. Now I'm going to use my dark purple at the top of this palette. I'm just going to put that in both corners of my eye in the crease part. That's going to go on top of the transition color that I did previously. I'm using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, also from BH Cosmetics. This palette is so pretty, y'all. It's like one of my favorite palettes. I'm gonna go on with this deep reddish orange color right here, and I'm gonna also put that in my crease where I also put the deep purple at as well. And I'm gonna do that to both eyes. Kind of multitask, baby. And next, I'm gonna go on with the next color up there. Do that in my crease as well. I like my crease to be really, like, I want my crease to really pop, because I think that's where the smoky eye comes in at. I really don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but we gonna look like, we gonna think you know what I'm talking about. Okay? Y'all gonna. Next, we're gonna go with that purple put that in the corner of my eye as well, just to give it a little more of a lighter tone. Because it's so dark. I want a smoky eye, but I want it at least so you can see the different transitions in my eye color. Taking my blending brush and blending all of those shades in together. Now I'm going in with this deep orange. I did not show y'all because I got distracted by something. So yes, we're going in with this deep orange. Orange is red again on the lid. Y'all, that color is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm going in with the brightest orange. I'm going to take me back to the Brazil palette. Now I'll be going back in with my NYX eyeshadow cream, making a nice decent line so I can put the glitter right there in the corner. And I'm going to do that to both eyes as well. I really messed up that eye. I almost poked myself in the eye. Yes, 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 yes. Vogue it, vogue it, vogue it, vogue it. Now I'll be going in with my gold glitter from BH Cosmetics, lightly taking it on my lid where I just put that eyeshadow primer. I needed a mirror, y'all, because I couldn't see what I was doing in my phone camera. On me on my camera phone. Look at that. My eyebrows look so good. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner and just, hit them wings. That everyday look on both eyes. Now I'm over here taking my foundation and just going in with that. Everyday things, I don't know where I got that foundation from. Now I'm about to take my Pro Concealer from my nearby beauty supply store, highlighting my face and my nose and my T-bone area, whatever the heck that's called. Bitch, you ugly. Now I'm about to blend everything in. Blend, 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 blend. Next, I have my Pro Concealer, where I'm about to sit here and contour my cheekbones and my nose area as well. Gotta have that good contouring going. Next, I'm taking my NYX brush and blending that out. As you can see here, I'm about to take my setting powder. Ooh, I forgot to blend that out. But I'm taking my setting powder here. Again, HD Flawless, and setting my concealer. And next, I'm about to put on these bomb blue lipstick from my nearby beauty supply store as well. Next, I'm taking my setting powder, and I'm about to just brush all this powder off. Dang, going fast. I'm not playing no games. Next, I have my Anastasia Glow Kit, where I'm highlighting my cheekbones and my nose. And I'm about to highlight my eyebrow bone as well. And here you go. Here's my finished look.
Bitches only, bad bitches on me.
Atlantic City look. Yes, bitch. Yes, 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 yes. Thanks, guys, for watching.
Bad bitches only, bad bitches on me. Hit her for a minute.